So my truck, my 07 Cummins, when I start it, it'll kind of has a hard start, and then it will start right up, run for about 3 seconds and shut off, and it'll do it repeatedly for about 3 or 4 tries starting, and it'll finally run. So I had this problem before, and you look at this battery terminal, not too bad looking. Wouldn't really suspect too much of it, but you look at your meter here. So you touch the terminal on the battery, 12.6. And you jump off the terminal and just touch the clamp, 12.07. So what I found last time is when I pulled this off, it didn't really look bad. There wasn't a lot of corrosion on it, but when you pulled this off, there was actually oxidation on the clamp and the battery post, just on this one battery. This is on the passenger side. So kind of a oddball situation where it just pinpoints one terminal, but this is the second time it's done it, so I'm going to clean it and then we'll check the voltage on both afterwards. The new terminal doesn't look too bad. Inside the clamp doesn't look too bad. Wouldn't think there'd be too much spec problems going on. So now, got the battery all cleaned, terminal. So I can get both of them in here. So I have my fan motor on. 12.24. Switch over the cable, 12.24. So now we'll go ahead and start it, see if that fixed our starting problem. Okay, let's go ahead and try it. Fire right up. Check engine light's still on from before. It'll probably go off after a few more key cycles. Or I can just reset it, but I'm good. We'll just let it turn off on its own.